In this video, we'll explore the top 10 foods that can help you shed unwanted fat and get closer to your fitness goals. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can enjoy a healthier and happier lifestyle. Many of us aim to reduce belly fat or lose excess weight, and while exercise plays a key role, the foods we consume are just as crucial. It's not always about going on a strict diet. Instead, the most sustainable and safest approach is to include more whole, unprocessed, and high-quality foods in your meals. The right foods can help you curb hunger, boost your metabolism, and most importantly, promote fat loss. Wondering if eggs can help you burn fat? Or how about the benefits of chili peppers? Stay tuned until the end. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty treat, it's scientifically proven to help burn fat, especially when you choose the full-fat variety. Full-fat Greek yogurt contains conjugated linoleic acid, which is known to support fat loss. It's also packed with probiotics that promote good gut health, a crucial component of any weight loss plan. Moreover, Greek yogurt is rich in protein, particularly casein and whey, which are vital for controlling appetite and maintaining muscle mass. The high protein content means your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbs. Always opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars and other additives. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of high-quality protein, which boosts your metabolic rate and helps build muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn. A single egg provides about 7 grams of protein, along with essential nutrients like vitamins and healthy fats. Despite being high in cholesterol, research shows that eating eggs doesn't raise your cholesterol levels. Focus on eating 3 eggs several times a week to aid fat loss and keep you full. For maximum benefits, choose organic, pastured eggs. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, are not just delicious snacks, they're also great for weight loss. Rich in magnesium and healthy fats, almonds have been shown to help people lose more fat when included in a low-calorie diet. Nuts are also high in protein, which requires more energy to digest, thereby boosting your metabolism. However, due to their high fat content, nuts should be eaten in moderation to fully enjoy their benefits. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. It is a popular remedy known for reducing appetite and lowering blood sugar levels. The acidic acid in apple cider vinegar has been shown to enhance fat burning and reduce belly fat. While more human studies are needed, one study on obese men found that consuming vinegar daily led to a modest reduction in weight and body fat. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet, dilute it with water and gradually increase the amount you consume. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a tasty spice, it also has fat-burning properties. It contains cinnamaldehyde, an essential oil that can increase thermogenesis, a process that burns calories by generating heat. Additionally, cinnamon helps balance blood sugar levels, which is key to preventing fat storage in the body. Sprinkle cinnamon on your coffee, oatmeal, or yogurt for a fat-burning boost. Number 6. Salmon and oily fish. Healthy fats are essential for fat loss, and salmon is a prime example. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and promote fat burning. It's also high in protein, which aids in muscle maintenance and increases your metabolic rate. Other nutrient-rich oily fish like sardines and tuna are also excellent choices. These fish provide essential vitamins and minerals that support brain function, immunity, and metabolism. Number 7. Chili peppers. Chili peppers do more than just add heat to your meals, they also help with fat loss. The capsaicin in chili peppers boosts metabolism and curbs appetite, making it easier to burn calories. Capsaicin also induces thermogenesis, helping your body burn extra calories. If you're not a fan of spicy foods, try adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to your dishes for similar benefits. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are packed with fiber, which helps you feel full and supports healthy digestion. Research shows that people who eat whole grains lose more body fat, particularly belly fat, compared to those who consume refined grains. Oats, for example, are rich in plant-based protein and fiber, making them a great choice for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Number 9. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber and nutrients, making them effective for fat loss. Broccoli is particularly rich in calcium, which has been linked to fat loss. It also contains sulforaphane, a chemical that helps speed up metabolism and reduce bloating. To maximize the fat-burning benefits, steam your broccoli for better nutrient absorption. Number 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to fat loss. They're loaded with fiber and protein, which help keep you full and energized. Chia seeds expand when soaked, taking up more space in your stomach and acting as a natural appetite suppressant. Incorporate chia seeds into your diet to boost endurance and support muscle growth, which in turn increases your metabolic rate. Blueberries are a fat-burning food. They're sweet, low in calories, and high in water and fiber, making them perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while promoting fat loss, especially around the belly. Research on animals suggests that a diet rich in blueberries can help reduce abdominal fat. Achieving a healthy body is just one part of the journey. To take your wellness to the next level, check out our other videos. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts on our video in the comment section below. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.